Okay, regarding studio, I've got my Dyne Audio speakers, BM12As, and then I've got the Nord Micromodular, which has kind of been my main synth. I've kind of just made do with whatever I had and tried to make the most out of it. So it is a tiny little beast, but it's similar to the G2 engine. It's just not got polyphony and a few less voices. It's amazing. Initially I first got it years ago, probably in England. I got it from a friend. The first guy that introduced me to forest music gave me that. And yeah, I had it for years without actually sitting in, and I was getting really basic sort of synth sounds out of it, and it's like, okay, this is the old synth and stuff. And then I was just like, no ways, this is not modular. Like, there's got to be more sounds with it. So I spent probably like a week just learning patches, making new patches, making better patches and better patches to get really deep FM crunchy sounds. And I managed to make a whole bunch of presets and banks, and since then I've just been amazed at what I can get out of it. So I haven't really had the need for buying another synth. Obviously I've thought about getting a virus. I was also a little bit anti getting a virus because everyone has a virus, and I wanted to get done with minimal as possible when I can. So the Nord and plugins. Okay, so otherwise I've got MPK Mini, a Korg drum pad, and I've got the Elevation Control XL, and just a regular keyboard. Yeah, just a long weighted keyboard, always handy. Microphone, nothing special. A Focusrite sound card, kind of average sound card. MacBook Pro, and then an extra monitor. I have a MacBook on as the second monitor. Find it easy to edit like that. Have my main window up there, and then do my synths and stuff down here, or whatever I need to look at. Yeah, and then the room is basically, it's a shed, converted shed. I'm still gonna build more onto it. It's just the basics. I've just moved here recently, but there's panels under the cloths in the corners. Obviously